Hey guys, it's Brad Barnes, and I'm here to talk about Blight to Beauty in Bibb City, which is our grant application. And I'm standing here in the Bibb City Community Orchard, and we'd like to do some more work here to really make it pop. Behind me, you can see some chain link fence and some old houses, and what we'd like to do is put up some privacy fence here, and paint some murals along that and make it a really pretty space. We'd also like to do some improvements on the paths that you see here where we're constantly fighting crabgrass. And we've got some ideas for adding rock and doing a more permanent solution. Who we hope to help with this orchard are the people that live in the surrounding neighborhoods. So we've got a lot of folks in Bibb City and a lot of folks in North Highland across 2nd Avenue that are coming through this area to get access to Riverwalk or just because it's part of their daily commute. These people are challenged to find access to fresh food. The idea came out of several on-the-table meetings, both in 2018 and 2017, including one that was in Bibb City, where we talked about ways to improve this orchard. Really, we've got great fruit in the ground. We want to make it a nicer space for the people that come here, and we want to make it clear what this is. So part of what we're applying for would put up some signage that would give the park rules. So partners for this project will be the Columbus State University Art Department and the Bibb Village Neighborhood Association. We just need a little bit of a push to make it a little bit prettier and to make it a little more clear that this is a public space with fresh, free food that everyone can use.